Always tinkered, taking things apart, putting them back together. You know, just as a kid, buy different receivers, listen to Onkyo's, Pioneers, building my own T-line boxes. I'm Brian Houston with Stereo Installs. We're located in Mentor, Ohio. The customer came in with a brand new Escalade, didn't want to give up any space, had a real limited amount of space, wanted big bass. We went with the Trulli 10-inch subwoofers. This truck's got a factory sub in the left rear quarter panel. They have like a little cargo space under the floor that you flip up. The space is only like 4 inches. The client was definitely aware of the space. His leading question was like, hey, can you fit anything in here? You know, when I see that space, I'm like, gosh, like, what are you gonna put there? Is that really gonna fit? Definitely pushed us to come up with a nice design and quality subwoofers that would, you know, really give some bass. You still have the expectation of like what maybe a 10 or 12 inch, 15 inch sub box in the back would do without the lack of convenience of having a subwoofer box there. The Trulli sub set that off into being a nice project. It's tight, it has a nice rolling deep bass to it. It's accurate for sure. Control that such a large voice coil can offer, both in like being a linear cone, but also being able to dissipate heat, handle wattage. That was very appealing. Many shallow subs don't have that ratio of cone to magnet and voice coil. The process for me is really important. Our biggest task was just getting the bass right in this thing. We're gonna put this subwoofer in. We're gonna build the right box. We're gonna make it strong, not leak. We have a scanning process just to try and cut down our service time with the vehicle and get as much made ahead of time. Brad will run anything on our CNCs. I run our fiber laser. Chris and Brittany will run 3D printers. Any shallow woofer from any other manufacturer doesn't make the cut. When you flip up that lid, it's a finished enclosure with plexiglass windows just to see a little bit of the nice subwoofers that are in there. You could still completely use the vehicle as it was. The amplifier is also hidden in the right rear quarter panel, and the placement of the speakers are all the way at the back. They're down firing, and the way it vents up and around is just beautiful. For a driver experience, like that bass is hitting your ears nice, and you feel it. I love the design. It was visually appealing. Definitely a lot of applications that really opens the door for a lot of places that you would put bass in a car. Customer's reaction with the Escalade, very happy with it. He had the big deep bass that he was looking for. It takes a lot to be able to articulate and tune a system. Like if they went to the concert and listened to it and remembered that, how close are you to be able to let them relive that?